fast beef tacos. Cook these fast tacos using hard taco shells, beef mince, chili con carne seasoning, iceberg lettuce and red capsicum. They'll be on the table in 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grab a baking tray. Pop the taco shells on the tray and bake them for 5 minutes or until heated through. Meanwhile, cook the beef mince in a non-stick frying pan, stirring as you go for 5 minutes or until the mince changes colour. Stir in Coles Mexico chili con carne seasoning and water. Cook stirring for another 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens. If you want to get ahead on another dinner, make a double batch of the mince mixture and freeze in an airtight container for up to 3 months. Ready to eat? Fill the warm taco shells with the mince mixture. Finish with iceberg lettuce and finely chopped capsicum. These tasty tacos are quick to make and a real crowd pleaser. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.